Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of AWS Cognito, Auth0, and Firebase. In order to do so, here we are at auth0.com. We're also at aws.amazon.com/pm/cognito, and we are at firebase.google.com. In order to do a comparison, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions of AI at any time and get the answers you're looking for. According to Cider, when comparing AWS Cognito, Auth0, and Firebase for authentication and identity management, it's essential to consider various factors, including features, ease of use, scalability, integration capabilities, and pricing. Here is a concise comparison of the three. AWS Cognito is a fully managed service that provides authentication, authorization, and user management for web and mobile apps. It features user sign up and sign in, social identity federation, multi-factor authentication, user pools and federated identities, fine-grained access control using IAM policies, and moderate ease of use requiring familiarity with AWS services. It has high scalability. It integrates seamlessly with other AWS services, and it has strong integration with AWS ecosystem. There is a free tier available and pay as you go after initial threshold. Auth0 is a flexible drop-in solution for authentication and authorization. It features social login and enterprise federation. It has single sign-on, multi-factor authentication, customizable login pages, extensive analytics and reporting, and it's user-friendly with comprehensive documentation and a dashboard for configuration. It's designed for scalability and handles large volumes of users seamlessly, and it supports a wide range of integrations with various programming languages and frameworks. There is a free tier available, and pricing can increase significantly as user counts grow. Finally, Firebase is a platform developed by Google for creating mobile and web applications, which include authentication services. It features email, password authentication, and social logins. It has anonymous authentication, custom authentication system, and integration with Firebase real-time database and Firestore with easy-to-use SDKs for multiple platforms. It's very user-friendly, ideal for developers looking for a quick setup, and is designed to scale, suitable for small apps to large applications. It has strong integration with other Firebase services and Google Cloud services. There is a free tier available, and pricing can vary based on usage of additional services. In summary, use AWS Cognito if you're already using the AWS ecosystem and need a robust solution for tight integration with AWS services. Use Auth0 if you need advanced user management features, customization, and analytics with the focus on flexibility. And use Firebase if you're developing mobile or web applications and prefer a developer-friendly environment with easy integration and a quick setup. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI recommendations, including Cider AI. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.